So I found this small pinhole in the roof while I was doing an inspection. Now these can be very dangerous because they go easily unnoticed, and over time they can cause a ton of damage and ultimately lead to the roof failing. So let's get this patched up quick and easy. All you're going to need is a toothbrush, some isopropyl alcohol, and a towel to clean off the roof before applying the patch. And then I used Gorilla waterproof tape. You can also use Eternabond and a razor knife to cut out your patch. I'll link all this in the description below. To start, I'm going to cut a square about 4 inches by 4 inches, which will give me enough coverage for a small pinhole like this. Then I'm going to use a soup can and trace out my circle to cover this patch. If you have a bigger hole, you can use a bigger item. They say that you should have at least 2 inches of adhesion beyond wherever the tear or the rip is to make sure that it's sealed properly. Then we're going to clean the entire area. I'm using isopropyl alcohol in a toothbrush, and I'm going to scrub it and get all the debris off, then dry it off with a towel and let it air dry the rest of the way before I apply the patch. Once it's completely dry, just peel the backing off of your patch and apply it directly over the pinhole. Once it's applied, use your thumb and rub it in completely to make sure you get all air bubbles out and that it is completely adhered. I'm using the back of the toothbrush here to roll it nice and smooth. That's it. The hole's repaired and your roof is safe. Now I always keep a roll of this Gorilla waterproofing tape on my camper wherever we go. That way if we're ever out on vacation, I can patch up any holes and do any repairs very quickly. Make sure to check the Amazon link below.